Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, XOLs, Mr. Jongin has arrived with his new MV Peaches. I'm really excited. As usual, you know he's my beloved bias from EXO. So I saw the photographs and all, but I of course did not check the teasers and stuff like that because I dared not. So congratulations to Kai for his mini album. You can call it a mini album. How many tracks are there? Like 5 tracks. I'm guessing there are 5 or 6 tracks only. So yes, let's react to the title track, Peaches. All right. Am I gonna get shocked? Like, I don't know. The vibe looked very different when I saw the photos and stuff, so I don't know. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, the subtitles are on. This seems to have a little traditional touch.
Pretty girl, you like peaches. Soft하게 감싸. 입안 가득 번진 sweetness. Feels good to be the bad guy.
Feels good to be the bad guy?
이미 삼켜버린 juice. 그 순간 깨져버린 룰. 조용히 주고받는 비밀. 아무도 믿지 못할 꿈.
Okay.
난 너의 나쁜 hobby. 더 가빠지는 hobby.
Oh my
날
god.
미소 짓게 만들어.
His vocals.
널 더 끌어안게 해. Pretty girl, you like peaches. 소프트하게 감싸.
What a mood.
입안 가득 번진 sweetness. Feels good to be the bad guy. 둘이 헤매는 feeling. 너무 달콤한 기분. Baby, close your eyes. 그저 느껴봐. 서로를 나눠 마신 찰나의 순간.
Firstly, though, when he dances, his body control is insane, man. It's insane. I know Jongin is here to kill me. I know it already. This is such a different vibe. You know, this is like the softer brother or softer, sibling of. You know what I'm saying, guys? Huh? Like it's sort of the same vibe, but it's like more softer. It's on the softer side. Huh? Though he says that it's good to be, like, it feels good to be a bad guy and all of that. But I think visual wise, like, was so freaking hard hitting that I thought was like, okay, too hot to handle. But here, it's hard hitting, but in a much lesser volume, like video wise I'm saying. And I don't know why here his vocals sound just incredible. There's so many places he took that falsetto and sounded so good. He sounded so good. Wow. Oh, this is like a whole different vibe, huh? Peaches. Okay. I mean, the lyrics are pretty, but it's okay. Wow. I think my favorite outfit is this one only. The hanbok kind of outfit. A little traditional. This is my favorite one. Let me just take a glance at the outfits here. This is okay. This outfit is still... I don't mind this one. This is fine. Like where he's wearing the hat, the cap. This one. Let's see, let the MV. I don't know. This is like okay for me. I wouldn't say, oh, this outfit is blowing my mind away. I think the one with the handbag, this one is nice. Like blue, white and black combo. I like this with the hairstyle. Quietly exchange secrets. Not sure how to feel about the white outfit. Oh, the vocals. falsettos.
Pretty girl, you like peaches. Soft하게 감싸. 입안 가득 번진 sweetness. Feels good to be the bad guy.
The lyrics are so.
우리 헤매는 feeling. 너무 달콤한 기분. Baby, close your eyes. 그저 느껴봐.
Just feel it.
서로를 나눠 마신 찰나의 순간 두려운 상은 더 무한해져가 귓가에 속삭여져 꿈보다 더 달게 이미 중독돼 버린 나내 위로 미끄러진
Oh, this outfit, look at this one.
너의 부드러운 손길
Listen, EXO is gonna die looking at these lyrics. Hello. Jongin, have some mercy. Like, literally have some mercy on people. This is not okay.
날 집중하게 만들어 오직 너만 보이게 Pretty girl you like peaches soft하게 감싸
Whoa.
입안 가득 번진 sweetness Feels good to be the bad guy
Oh, look at this choreography. So subtle and not his body control when he dances. Just look at this choreography.
입안 가득
Just the hand and shoulder movement. Look at this.
Feels good to be the bad guy
Okay, this is probably my favorite rap. This is amazing. This is amazing. This part is awesome. It's incredible. Look at the guy, man.
입안 가득
So
번진
subtle but
sweetness.
so neat.
Feels good to be the bad
Oh, this
guy
is fantastic.
둘이 헤매는 feeling
Yes.
너무 달콤한 기분 Baby close your eyes 그저 느껴봐
If I close my eyes, then I can't see your beautiful face, huh, Kai?
돌이킬 수 없이 스며들지 깊이 감미로운 kisses 그 안에 영원히
I like this
넘쳐버릴
outfit also.
만큼 나를
The grey one.
채워줘 너를 위한 마음이 계속되도록
Oh,
파도치듯
look
넌
at.
휩쓸어 간 내일을 떠올리게
He's one of the best dancers I've seen, man.
집중해줘 all day 너 하나면 okay 벗어날 수 없어 너 Pretty girl you like peaches
I don't know why that the set where all the peaches are there is so funny to me.
soft하게 감싸 나를 감싸는 이 가득 번진 sweetness 가득히 번진 sweetness It's good to be the bad guy It's good to be the bad guy 너무
He sounds so soft.
Baby close your eyes 그저 느껴봐 yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. So beautiful. Beautiful. Let me stop this. So soft and beautiful. That's what I liked. Like it felt so soft, though the lyrics are pretty. Na, 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 You know, the lyrics are of that category. But in terms of the video, it's so contrasting from the first, like the previous, album. Not album really, the title track basically. I'm really happy that he dropped a second album. Couldn't be happier, like really. And he is really one of the best dancers I've seen out there in K-pop. Like his body control is insane. The moves are so defined. It's just such a pleasure to watch him. He just doesn't do, like, some dancers are like fierce and all. He is so subtle with his movements, and yet it looks so defined. Just that portion where he's doing the hand and the shoulder thing and on beat, because it's so fast. You might think that, oh, such an easy step to do, but it's one of the most difficult things to do. It's one of the most difficult things to do out there. Fantastic. And then there is this one portion where he's wearing that gray outfit and there's this leg movement over there. It just there for a moment, but it's so beautiful. Wow. So for me, outfit wise, I think I like the one which is in gray and the blue hanbok one. The white one, I was not really a fan of that. I like the black and white one. That was also nice. But the where he was wearing like the full white one, it was like okay, okay. Like how I loved each and every outfit he wore in that was like all the outfits and the entire styling was great. Here, I think except the white one, let me know what are your thoughts, guys. Except the white one, I liked all other outfits, specifically the one where he's wearing that blue hanbok. I think that's my favorite, followed by the gray outfit with the big hat. That was nice. That was also nice. The sets in terms of the MV production, the sets where he is doing that shoulder thing, I think that set was my favorite. The one where all the peaches are around, that was a little hilarious to me. I don't know why. It was adorable though. It was adorable. His vocals, guys, I think there are so many portions here where he's just pulling in that beautiful falsetto. I love that. I love that. The song that made the song like, you know, it makes it sound a little sexy also, but it's on the softer side. Like it sounded really soft to my ears. So somebody who does not know the lyrics, who will just watch it without the closed caption, might think that, oh, such a beautiful soft song, which it is. But if you look at the lyrics, it's quite enticing. It's quite enticing. So yeah, so that was the reaction, guys, to Kai's Peaches. Jongin, congratulations. You nailed it again with your charisma, I'm saying. Charisma and aura and, you know, vocals, dancing, everything. The dude is the whole package. The dude is literally the whole package, guys. He's amazing. What an amazing screen presence this guy has. Very, very, very happy with the comeback. Very happy with the comeback, guys. So yes, I want to know your thoughts on the song. Were you expecting a hard-hitting song from Kai after, you know, though it'll be very interesting if he does another. I don't know how the album is because, you know, how the B-sides are, if there are any fast tracks, but I would love to see Kai do a solo with just like a complete dancey number. Oh my god, that's just gonna blow up the internet, I feel. Huh, XOLs, what are your thoughts on that? So yes, that was the reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and have come till the end of the video. I will sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!